In this video, I'll give you a very powerful technique to overcome fear in social situations. And this idea comes from the book, Feel the Fear and Beyond by Dr. Susan Jeffers. Now, here's the thing. We feel fearful in social situations because we are being selfish. We are only thinking about ourselves. When we feel that we're trying to take, when we feel that we have an agenda in any given situation, we become anxious, we become nervous, and we become fearful. But when we have no agenda, when we are not trying to take, and instead when we're trying to give, there is no anxiety, there is no fear, there are no nerves. So let me give you an example. Let's say you're in a social situation and you're going up to talk to a stranger because you want something in return, because you have an hidden agenda. Well, that makes you feel anxious, that makes you feel nervous. But let's say instead you're going up and talking to a stranger because you want to give them a $20 bill that they just dropped on the floor. Now you have no anxiety, you have no nerves because you are giving. And that is the difference. Similarly, let's say in a public speaking situation, you are talking because you want to impress the audience. As soon as you want to impress the audience, you will have fear, you will have anxiety, you will have nerves. But if instead you're talking because you want to teach them something very important, you are going to teach them something life-changing that will really help them, now you have excitement, now you have passion, now you have joy, now you have love for that person. And that changes everything. You don't have nerves, you don't have fear or anxiety. Similarly, let's say you are on a sales call, and if you're thinking to yourself, how can I make the sale and make some money? Well, then you will have stress, you will have anxiety, you will have fear. But instead, if you think to yourself, how can I help them solve their problem? How can I make their lives better? Now you will have excitement, you will have passion, and you will have love for the other person. And there won't be any fear, there won't be any anxiety or stress in that situation. So really simple. I'm going to boil this whole process down into 3 steps you can take any given time in any social situation. First thing, you're going to ask yourself, what exactly am I fearful of? Second thing you're going to do is ask yourself, what am I trying to take in this situation? Ask yourself again and again to come to the real answer as to what you're trying to take in this situation. And then the third question you're going to ask yourself is, how can I turn this around and instead give? Once you answer that, once you know exactly what you can give in that situation, suddenly you will find that you have no more fear or anxiety in that situation. So there you have it, a really simple and powerful technique to overcome fear in very demanding social situations. Now, if you found this video valuable, please make sure to share it with someone who could benefit from it. All right, guys, see you next time. Bye-bye.